Aqara U200 Factory Reset. Step 1. Ensure the lock is unlocked. The lock must be in an unlocked state before resetting. Step 2. Open battery compartment. Remove the battery cover to access the reset button. Step 3. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button inside the battery compartment. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button. Hold the button for about 10 seconds. Step 5. Watch for LED flashing. The LED indicator will start flashing rapidly. Step 6. Release the reset button. Let go of the button when the flashing stops. Step 7. Listen for beep confirmation. The lock will emit a beep, confirming the reset. Step 8. Remove from Aqara app. Delete the device from the Aqara app if previously connected. Step 9. Reinsert battery cover. Close the battery compartment securely. Step 10. Set up the lock again. Reconnect the lock to the Aqara app and configure settings. The lock